If you're in the market for paint protection film for your vehicle and you're looking to protect it from rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, and you think you could get maybe just a little bit better price, I want to explain how our shop, Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana, not affiliated with any other shop, we're only in Highland, how maybe saving a few dollars is not necessarily the best idea. We have this RTR Mustang in. This is a 5.0 Ford Performance Mustang, a 2024, and the front clip, the full front clip, got paint protection filmed by another shop, a competitor, and I wouldn't say this is, in nicer terms, the best install that there is. The client came to us to switch the shop up a little bit, and we're gonna be doing everything back, basically the full roof, the full quarters, the doors, the rockers, the rear bumper, and basically get most of the rest of the car PPF'd by us. We use KDX films. They are a very high quality film brand. They actually manufacture their own product, which I love. And it has a 10-year warranty, not only manufacturers, but also workmanship. Any yellowing, bubbling, peeling, cracking, fading, you name it, it's all covered. But I want to point out a few things on this front end on why getting a little bit less expensive PPF job might not be the best for you. If you're a car enthusiast, you really care about the quality of the install on your vehicle, and you don't want to see lines, you don't want to see little tiny pieces of lifting, bubbling, bubbles in the film, then I suggest you reach out to us to at least see the process from an extremely high quality and high end paint protection film shop. So come on over here. Let's start by looking at this fender. So one of the things is that we wrap and tuck every edge, but when you wrap and tuck an edge, you can actually see here that this wrapped edge is actually coming up a little bit, and you can see it from right on the edge when you're looking at the actual exterior. And that's not something that I would do. I would actually make sure that that little cut there is further down, so that way you don't see it, of course, at all. And there's a little lifting finger on the edge there, which not a huge deal. But one thing that we look for, besides like the edges, you seeing them and them not being wrapped properly, is actually the edges having a bad alignment. And what alignment means is when the film is coming up on an edge, it actually follows the edge perfectly and doesn't curve. Well, if you look right here, you can actually see, I don't know why this bumper is like off a little bit, but you can actually see that the edge of film here actually starts with that much and ends with that much, and there's a little bit of a, I don't know what you'd call that, like a little skip in the film or something from a bad cut line, and then the corner is kind of like trimmed out here. Well, if you actually have PPF on the front end, the whole point is so that you have protection, and when a rock hits right there, you're screwed. So we not necessarily are wrapping the bumper, but we need to make sure that the film goes up all the way to the edge, and that's something that I'm not really too happy with. It doesn't get much better. As you can see here on some of these gloss black pieces, you can see some lifting film. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but that piece of lifting film in the corner here, over time, as more water and dirt and debris get in here, this film job's only been done for a few months, that's just gonna start peeling, and eventually you're gonna have to redo this entire black piece. So really not something that we would do here. We make sure that there's no peeling, no lifting, no bubbling. We even have a 30-day checkup for you so you can see as well. And then taking a peek at this hood scoop here, there's loads of bubbles. You can see them along this edge here. You can see the bubbles along this edge here. You can also see some bubbles along this edge, some lifting edges happening along this side here. Not really the cleanest install for a hood scoop in my opinion, and it's a bunch of pieces too, which I'm not really happy with. If you want to look in this corner here, this is not being nitpicky actually. This film work should be with no bubbles, no edges, nothing. I mean, it is literally, this film you should not be able to tell that the film's on. And if you can tell that the film is on, then probably want to reevaluate where you're getting the film done. And then this mirror has some bad alignment actually from a trim out. I want to show this too, because this is not really something that should be acceptable, but maybe you want to come on this side here and take a peek. but you can actually see that the film is like right here, and then it comes out to here. It kind of like, it's like trimmed out, and then it goes back to here. So it's like looks wavy. It's not very proper. I mean, there's also some more cut marks there. So yeah, I don't like that look at all, actually. And what you're gonna get from us at the shop here, Attention to Detail in Highland, all the edges are completely wrapped and tucked. You will not be able to see the film. All the film is wrapped and tucked, all the edges. Now, are we perfect? No, but the actual quality of the install is far superior to what you're seeing here. And it's important, if you're looking to save a few bucks, that you do some research. This is a very expensive Mustang. This is a high-end RTR trim, and it's very important. Actually, you probably could pull up the hood and you can take a peek at this hood. You can see what's under the hood. It's a pretty expensive Mustang, but it's very, very important that in the film world that you're getting a quality install. And something to just, watch out for is those edges, the bubbles, the peeling, some alignment, trimming issues, like knife skipping here and there. It's just something to watch out for. Besides the fact that you want a good brand that has very good optical clarity and a great warranty behind them. That's pretty much kind of what we have seen so far. Now, between the front and the back, there's going to be a huge difference, not only in the optical clarity, but also in the actual install. We do remove every part needing to be removed. So like this mirror is going to be removed, this handle is going to be removed, this top trim piece is going to be removed. So when we do the install and we put it all back together, you're not going to see where all the film is. Same thing with these badges down here. We take the badges off and then put them back on. But I don't want, when you get a vehicle PPF'd by us, I don't want you to see a single spot on the film. Otherwise, we're not doing our jobs properly. Now, a few things to watch out for when you're going to a film shop. Number one is if they're pushing a brand extremely hard. That means that they're relying more on the brand than their skill set to perform a quality job. I think the brand is important. You don't want a very cheap Chinese film, but you do want a brand that you want a company to install the film that's not just only talking about their brand, because they're trying to get you to recognize their brand as opposed to the quality of the install. To be quite frank, the brand really doesn't matter. You can do a really good install and it look amazing with a bad brand. So the quality of the install is important. The other thing you want to watch out for is the reviews that are on the Google page and Facebook page as well. Look at the Google reviews, see, do they have a lot of videos up online of their work? Do they show a lot of their work, or do they just kind of hide it? Cameras do not pick up as much as what you're seeing here. So it's important that when you do look for a company to do film work, that you come check them out. Another thing, besides checking them out and booking a consultation to actually go view the shop, is the environment and the space that we're in. This space is a 3-car garage. This is separate from our main shop. Our main shop next door is about 6,000 square feet. And so this one's a very personable, very intimate shop. It's only 1,500 square feet, and the floors get mopped and swept constantly. And we have dust control systems. We're temperature controlled, so it's always the same degrees in here, the same temperature, whether it's the winter or the summer. So that's something to also watch out for, a very climate controlled, dust-free environment. When you're installing film, that's very, very important as well. But ultimately, it just comes down to your preference. And we're not for everybody, we know that. We are a very high-end steakhouse. All the other shops are McDonald's, Taco Bell, Wendy's. We are a steakhouse. When you come to us, you're gonna get the service that you want, the quality that you deserve, but you do have to pay for it. We're not cheap, we know that, but we provide the quality of film work that you come to love and expect, and we will never disappoint. We'll bend over backwards for you. So if you want to get a quote from us, book a consultation so you can actually come in person and view the shop, and we can show you around and show you the process and everything. You can give us a call to book a consult, or you can do it on our website. The phone number to call us, 219-533-8783, or our website, www.attn2detail.info. Really hope that you get a very quality install of film on your vehicle, and that there's not a random contractor doing the film work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys at the shop soon. Aaron with Attention to Detail in Highland. out.